What's the meaning of crossword? Crossword. Crossword.
Crossword. Crossword. A crossword is a word puzzle that typically takes the form of a square or rectangular grid of white and shaded squares. The goal is to fill the white squares with letters, forming words or phrases, by solving clues which lead to the answers. The shaded squares are used to separate words or phrases. Crosswords can be found in newspapers, magazines, or as standalone books. They are popular for their ability to provide a challenging mental workout, promote vocabulary expansion, and improve problem-solving skills. Overall, crosswords are a fun and educational way to pass the time.